Yes, beta, all of you see, our topic is image formed by concave mirror. Image formation in concave mirror. In concave mirror. Image formation in concave mirror. See here, concave mirror, in concave mirror, backside is polished, that is bulge part, convex part is polished, so reflection takes place from inner part, concave part, convex, bulge one. Now, so that's why since the reflection takes place from the concave part, so that's why this mirror is known as, this mirror is known as concave mirror. This mirror is known as concave mirror. Now you see here, all of you, this is the center point, this is the focus point, and this is the center. Center point of the mirror is called pole. You draw with a dotted line. This straight line is called the principal axis of the mirror. Now, if object is lying beyond C, what is the object position? OP, object position beyond C. Beyond C. That is after C. Now, AB is the object. Now you see the point which is lying on the principal axis, its image will be itself formed on the principal axis. Only we have to draw the point image of point A. So for drawing the image of any point, we need how many rays? At least 2 rays. How many rays we need? We need 2 rays. We need how many rays? 2 rays. One is moving parallel. It will pass through the focus. One which is passing parallel to the principal axis. It will pass through the focus. Second ray that is passes through the focus. It will becomes parallel. So, what is the definition of image? The point where two reflected. These two are incident rays, and this is second reflected ray, and this is first reflected. Both this reflected ray meet here. Since these two are coming from point A, so image of point A will be formed here. Put perpendicular here, image of point B will be formed here. Here we are not showing because then in this case, if you draw in the diagram of point B, again 2 rays like this, it will goes like this. It goes like this. So for point B, image formed will be here, B dash. But here we are not forming the ray diagram for point B. We are only drawing the ray diagram for point A. And drawing perpendicular bisector. Wherever it cuts, this is the image point of point B. Now, what is the position of image? Once again you see, if the object is lying beyond C, this is the object, AB. For point A, draw, take 2 rays. One is moving parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus after reflection. Second ray which is passing through the focus after reflection, they becomes parallel. So this is the first rule. The rays which is passing, all the paraxial rays after reflection passes through the focus point. Second, just inverse to this one, the rays which is passing through the focus after reflection, they become parallel. Now these two reflected rays cut at this point. This point lies between C and F. So image point, what is the position of image? Image point is between C and F. C and F. Now you see here, since the reflected are really cut, so this image will be real image. Nature of image will be first real. Why? Because the image really cut. If they will be real, then it is inverted, already visible that if point A lies above the principal axis and the image is forming below the principal axis, and we know that the image since point B lies on the principal axis, Since point B lies on the principal axis, so its image will be formed itself on the principal axis. Always you remember, if any point is lying on the principal axis, its image will always form anywhere on the principal axis. So point B, its image will be formed here, B dash. So what you are observing, the size of image is the first, it is inverted, real and inverted, real and inverted. And what? Smaller in size, diminished. Diminished. Now you see here, if the object is lying beyond C, its image will be formed between C and F, diminished size, real and inverted. Invert image is always real. No. What is the magnification? This is the magnification is the ratio. Magnification is the magnification. This is the ratio of height of image. What is magnification? Magnification is the ratio of height of image. Height of image upon height of object. Height of object. So see here, M for magnification, height of image is inverted. Height of image is inverted and height of object is erect. Above principal axis distance are positive, above below principal axis distance is negative. So since this height is lesser than this height, this is lesser than this height, so this value will be less than 1. So we can write in this case magnification is less than 1. And minus sign means inverted image. Minus sign means image is inverted. Image is inverted. Now you see here, we are moving to the second case. This is the first case. And now, what is the second case? This is the second case of image formation. In second case, what you are observing, this is the concave mirror, this is the pole, this is the focus point, this is the center of curvature. Now you see here, if the object lies on the center of curvature, what is the object position? At C, at center of curvature. Now this is the object, AD is the object. Parallel rays passes through the focus. Rays which is moving here, it will be I is equals to R. It will be just cut at this point. Like this. But now what you are observing, this is A, this is A dash, this is B, this is B dash. So B and B dash coincide. So if object is lying at C, center of curvature, image will be formed at the same point, at C also. And what is the nature of image? Nature of image is inverted, same side. Inverted, real. But why it is called real image? Because these two reflected, these two incident ray after reflection, this is second reflected ray, they really cut. They really cut just below the C. And the height of object is equals to height of image. Height of object is this one. This is principal axis. So you can measure this height and this height. Both are equal. So nature of image is first real, second inverted. And inverted image is always real. Real, inverted and same size. Size of image is same size. Same size means magnification is equals to minus means inverted, and 1 means size of object is equal to size of image. Magnification is equals to 1 means size of image is equal to size of object, and its minus sign means inverted. Minus sign means inverted. The image is inverted. This is the second case. Yes, everybody note down please. Just take the clips. So From here, what we are observing that initially object was kept here, image is formed between C and F. Size is small. As the object is moving closer, the size goes on increasing. At C, image itself formed at C. Now in third case, we will see that if the object moves further up, the image will move away from the C and its size goes on increasing. It will form over this line between this. Now you see, we are taking the case third. We are taking third case. What is the third case? See here, this is this is mirror, concave mirror. This point is called pole. This is the center of curvature, straight line. This is the principal axis passing through the center of curvature and pole. Between C and P, there is a point that is known as the focus point. Now, in this case, we are placing the object between C and F. Now you draw the image. Parallel focus. Parallel focus. But a second case, you draw here. This is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. Equal angle. If this is 30, this is 30. If this is 20, this is 20. Since this is normal, parallel principal axis is actually normal over the mirror. Normal, perpendicular over the mirror. Now, so this is angle of incidence. We are taking angle always from the normal, like in plane mirror. This is angle, this is incident ray. This is reflector ray, angle of reflection. So we are always taking angle from the normal. So this is normal. This is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So you draw like this. It cut here. So image point of A is A dash. Now what you are observing, the size of image is very large now. A is here, this point will be B dash. So what you are observing, in the first case, his object was here, image was here. If object is moving like this, image moves here. Now object is moving within C, that is between C and F. Now image further shift beyond C and the size of image in this case is larger than the size of object. It is inverted because the reflected ray actually cut. So what we are getting here, what is the position of object point? Between C and F. C and F. What is image position? Image position beyond C, after C, beyond C, beyond center of curvature, beyond center of curvature. Now, what is the nature of image? NY, nature of image. First, real and inverted. Inverted image, real, inverted, and in this case it is larger than the size of object. Image is larger, so it is magnified. Magnified means large, magnified, and magnification is greater than 1. -1 means greater than 1. Minus sign refers to the real. Its nature is real. Its nature is real. Inverted image is always real image. Yes. Now everybody note down. Now we are taking the fourth case. We are taking the fourth case. When object is at focus, this is again concave mirror, this is pole, and this is center of curvature. This is principal axis, this is focus point. Object is at focus. Now AB is the object. Now draw parallel lines, it will pass through the focus. Second line at pole, it will pass like this. So these two lines will always move parallel. Now you know, you see here, these two are incident ray. One is parallel. After reflection, it will passes through the focus. One is incident at P. I is equals to R. I is equals to R. So what you are observing that this reflected ray are always moving parallel. Now where parallel rays intersect at infinity? Parallel rays intersect at infinity. Now your the size of image is not like this. Now size of image is not like this. Very, very large size. Because we don't know where this image, if it will cut here, its size it will be like that. If it will cut here, its size will be like that. But it is not known. So size of image will be very, very large. Size of image will be very, very large. So what we can say, what is the object position at F? At F. What is image position? What is image position at infinity? At infinity. Infinity. And what is the nature of image? Nature of image is real. First one, it is real. Why because these two rays are below the principal. The reflected ray are below the principal axis. So they will cut somewhere below the principal axis that we are calculated that our image will be real. Real and inverted. And very large, highly magnified. Highly magnified image. Highly magnified. Highly magnified image. So we can see that magnification is very, very large than, very, very large than 1. And it is minus means real. Minus sign indicates that image is very, very, no, minus sign indicates that image is real, inverted. And very, very large than 1 is means size of image is very large. This is the fourth case. Just note down, everybody. Now, in fourth case, this is the fourth case. In fifth case, we will see that this is mirror. This is the center point. This is called the pole. This is the center of curvature. Draw principal axis between P and C. There is a point, focus point. If object is lying between C and P, F and P, what is object position? Between F and focus and pole. Focus and pole. Object is lying between focus and pole. Now you see here, what is object AB? But us here, parallel passes through the focus. P. Now you see here, so they are moving away from each other. So definitely they will not never cut this side. So if you produce it backward, it will be produce it backward. It cut here. This is the principal axis. So you draw a dotted line. Because this is not real image, so image will be shown by a dotted line. Virtual image. Because this reflected ray do not intersect really, but if you produce a little dotted line, then this image is virtual image, A dash, B dash. This is erect. Virtual image is always erect, but it is magnified. So what you are, once again is you see, object is lying between focus and pole. Here, this is the position of object, AB, between C and pole and focus point. Object is lying between pole and focus point. This is point A. You draw two rays. One is parallel, it will, after reflection, pass through the focus. Second one, which is incident on P, I is equals to R, reflected like this. Since these two reflected are moving away, so they will never intersect, but you will produce a backward with a dotted line. Produce it. The appears means image will be virtual. So here the image formed behind the mirror. So image position, we can write here, what is the object position? Between F and P, of F and P. F and P. What is image position? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. And what is the nature of image? NOI, nature of image. First one is erect. Erect, then it is virtual. And magnified. Magnified. Here, dentist uses this concave mirror. They are placing this the tooth between the focus and pole of the mirror. Then just behind the mirror, the size of the tooth appears big and cavity you can easily see. So concave mirror is also known as the dentist mirror. When object will be placed in where the dentist place the tooth position between F and P, and they can see the erect image of the object. Erect, virtual, magnified. So M can be written as greater than 1, but it is plus. Plus means virtual image. Plus means image is virtual. You don't write anything. You can write plus also. Or if you are not writing, it means no sign is there, it means plus sign is there. So magnification is greater than 1, it means size of image is greater than the size of object. Size of image is greater than the size of object, and magnification is greater than 1. Now you see here, we are discussing about the last case, that is sixth case, and in the last case we will discuss that if in a plane mirror, if object is at infinity, this middle point is called pole, this is the center, and between this is focus. If object is infinity, infinity means two rays that is coming from the object, they will come parallelly, because two in mathematics, as we know, what is the definition of parallel? Parallel and intersect at infinity. From point A, two rays are coming. We know that the AB is the object, as we have dealt in all the previous 5 cases. AB is the object. Now from point A, if the two rays are coming, since the point A lies at infinity, what is the object position? Object position at infinity. At infinity. So we know that two parallel lines intersect at infinity. So from point A, if lines are coming, they become parallel. These two parallel rays will cut at the focus point. So real image will be formed, but the size of that object will be very, very less. So here image position will be at focus point. Nature of image will be, since they really cut, so real, inverted, and point size image, highly diminished image, point size image, point size or highly diminished image. That magnification will be very, very less than 1, and it is minus. Why? Why minus? Because they really cut. And when the two incident ray, two reflected ray really cut, then image will be always real. Just remember, if I will give you a spherical mirror, that is concave mirror, and an object is very, very large distance from the mirror, and if you see the mirror inside, if you see the image of that object inside the mirror, then the size of the image will be very, very small. That is point size image, and it will be inverted. Why inverted? Because the reflected ray really cut. So M will be very, very less than 1. Now this is in this way. These are the 6 different cases of formation of image by a concave mirror.